Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video brought to you by Frank. In today's video, we'll be covering some tips on how to save money as a student. Saving can seem like an impossible and daunting task when you're a student because university can be really expensive and you don't actually have a salary unless you're a tutor or get a part-time job. There are also some big decisions to be made along the way, like, do I buy all my textbooks or do I go out with my friends? Trust me, we've all been there, and the only way to successfully enjoy and take advantage of being a student is to have effective money management skills to keep you and your finances under control. I know this doesn't sound fun or easy, but your future self will thank you. Here are some tips and tricks to help you manage and save a bit more money while you're still studying. The first one, make a monthly budget. The only way you can keep track of your spending and save money is by drawing up a budget. You can start by drawing up an Excel sheet and record the average allowance you receive on a monthly basis, as well as jotting down your expenses like your groceries, toiletries, Netflix subscription, entertainment, etc. Once you have done this exercise, check your calculations to see if you have any money that you can put aside for your savings. The second tip, buy second-hand textbooks. The answer to the first question is to definitely buy your textbooks, but why buy them full price when you can get them for half the price? There are always bookshops and students around the university selling second-hand textbooks, so you can always get them at a bargain. You can also find textbooks at the library, especially the ones you need for just one paper. The third tip, don't make impulsive purchases. Now, this is something I personally used to struggle with, but the trick I've been practicing is, after I place something in my shopping cart, I let it sit there and revisit it later. This helped me determine if I really need the item or if I was really about to make an impulsive purchase. The fourth tip, be a Netflix tenant. Most streaming platforms like Showmax and Netflix allow 4 to 5 profiles, which means if you have a family or friends with accounts, you can always ask them for their logins or share subscription costs with friends. That way you save money. The fifth tip, look into the campus gym. Many universities offer students a free gym service or a discounted price. So look at the specials your gym offers before paying a hefty amount for a gym membership. The sixth and final tip, know your discounts. You can save a lot of money as a student by finding discounts you're eligible for. And trust me, there are heaps. You can get 10% off sneakers, clothing, accessories, and sports equipment. Apple Music also has a student membership subscription plan for up to 4 years, just to name a few. When you want to purchase something specific, just Google the item and type student next to it, and you might find a few stores that are selling the item on a discount for students. Saving money can be a very easy and rewarding task to do. With all that extra cash to save, you can easily sign up for a Franc account, set up your goal, and earn a return on your savings. #HealthySavings2022.